Good morning, guys. All right. So today we're gonna still talk about sports. Because a lot of things are happening around the world of sports right now. Diba? Paris games are closer than ever. I think we have many Filipinos now qualifying in the Olympics. But ang atong kwadron, we'll be talking about NBA playoffs. Why? Because exciting yung NBA playoffs. We're down to few teams na lang yun, diba? Diba? Probably 4 teams na lang. By the time that we publish this, it's gonna be 4 teams lang. Boston is waiting for their opponent in the East. So, I don't know, probably New York. That's nice. That's a nice series as well. Boston, New York, which is it will bring back the sa Madison Square Garden ba sa New York. Diba? That big market finally na sila team na they under a traditional powerhouse ilang kontra, which is Boston Celtics. Over in the West, so probably it's gonna be Dallas and I don't know, Denver. Depende sa because Minnesota is quite good also, diba? I mean, let's see what happens then, because they have Mike Conley back and then they're just routed Denver in game 6. So we'll see what adjustments. Will it be the end of that Denver Nuggets repeat campaign? Diba? They wanna defend their title, diba? Pero I don't know, don't count out the champions also. So diba? So hopefully I wouldn't know, but hopefully by then hibawan na nato, diba? Diba? Pero yeah, if Dallas also gets in, diba? Mga Luka fans there. So if it's Dallas and Denver, it's imagine you have Doncic and Jokic, some not muscular, dili mga macho, dili chesel, dili super athletic white guys, leading their teams. So imagine na. So meaning bang simple meaning ana is a lot of Filipinos are just talking about, sometimes we talk about na kinahanglan na may prototype na lisod tagpildi sa mga sa let's say sa blacks, because they're more athletic and they're gifted, their DNA is just really for sport. They have quick twitch muscles, they're faster, they're stronger, but doesn't mean point lang ang ipakita lang natong Doncic and Jokic is that sometimes it's between the ears. Any sports could be between the ears lang. I mean, gamitol na nimong utok if you have a high IQ. So basketball IQ na ila, you can still succeed without the genes, diba? As long as you have the fundamentals, the dribbling, the passing, you know the game. I mean, the game is about who ends up scoring more, and there's a lot of ways of helping your team score more, diba? Via passing, by the assists, by the rebounds, offensive rebounds, by many things, even 3-point shooting. So pasabutan na ba, you don't have to be super athletic kung saan mong athletic na kusgan if the game's about shooting. Even look at Stephen Curry, it's not the tallest, but na MVP na, multiple MVP, multiple champions, and there are many Filipinos na just as tall as Stephen Curry, tingali yun, as thin as Stephen Curry. So meaning ba, those people na moingon na Philippines has no chance because no, you just have to put the best 5 there, diba? Diba? We can be world beaters, diba? Diba? Sa America, unsam na nilang 100 kabok na super athletic kung only 5 can get in. Diba? And sa 5, ang point na ko you have to have roles, and doesn't have to be puro lang ka ikaw ang LeBron James, because even it's so hard, LeBron James too hard to find LeBron James Pero mao na ang point ana, it's sometimes base, it's not just about physicality ba. There are many aspects like shooting, passing, the assists, diba? So mao na ikuan ana ba na we have a chance. Pero mana kinsa yung bet sa NBA kaya nabili na lang among that teams who do you want would be a nice match up for the finals. Probably kung mo Denver, imagine Denver versus Boston. Nice ha, di ba? Kung hiyaw kaya two of the best teams, di ba? But you could say pwede sa again, don't count Oklahoma pa day ha, pero don't count them out, di ba? Ang point na kuha na ba? But that team, Oklahoma Thunder, so that team would be if their development by ilang trajectory sa ilang development continues, they'll be a force to be reckoned with. And then this, until the end of the decade, ligon gud kay na sila. Di ba kana ilang core, the SGA, Holmgren, and those young guns. Para they'll be a scary bunch, di ba? But we'll see happen because other teams will talk about mo. But if si Victor Wembanyama will wake up in the next season, muna siya Will Chamberlain of this generation, so is the Kibao. Pero yeah, but those teams, but they have Chet Holmgren to match up Victor, di ba? So mana ba napana sila. So those are interesting teams, di ba? What if, pero it would be a coup also if New York will be in the finals, di ba? Kapila na kung New York muna as finals, di ba? So, it's been a while. I think the last time na 70s pa na sila. And they're one of the biggest markets for basketball, di ba? It's like they're the mecca of basketball. So, it would be interesting na naa sila sa finals. That's a nice proposition. How about silang Luka, Dallas, di ba? Dallas and New York and what if Dallas and New York and championship, di ba? Kuyaw, yeah. Boston and Minnesota pwede sa, di ba? Boston, Minnesota. Pero daghan og kuan, Anthony Edwards is quite kuan. They say mo siya anak ni Michael Jordan, and he's showing everyone also na kuan. He deserves the accolades. He's really good. So ang NBA, nakalingaw sa NBA ba na we have so many teams, we have so many stars that we know they can carry, makabaligya sa the jerseys. We talked about sa kanang in a previous video about the PBA not having stars, not having stars that can sell ba, that can bring out the crowd. Pangitaon sa PBA, there are players who can bring people out to watch, like a Michael Jordan, like a LeBron James. Murag sa atua ka lang, even sa WNBA na si Caitlin Clark, and they're moving their games to bigger venues to accommodate people who want to watch. Even sometimes people want to watch that player fail. Haters, but the point is they draw out the crowd. And sa NBA, grabe nga na home crowd, even the away crowd, they bring in the support. Fanatic ko. So dapat nga na PBA na fanatic ba, John Marians, that's the nga na ba, katong Chris Toyota, those are the days na fans are not just fans, fans are really fanatics. Fans are short for fanatics, pero like na fanatic yun ba kanang I've seen ng mga fanatics ng fans, artista na nasa fans club na nasa president na kuan, hilak sila kanang nakita ta ng mga grupo nilang kuan, mga Blinks, mga unsa na kanang mga following ba, mga bisag Noranian, so na mga ngaan ba, wabay John Marians niya, o Barangay Ginebra mo na mara man ni ngana na lang ron, Barangay Ginebra sa kabarangay yan na diha. Why can't they develop ng mga fans club. So ato mana ang Ginebra naman na home court factor. So sa ako NBA, so gana big markets gina New York, Dallas. Ito ba ko kung sila ang mada. Even Denver so happy na nakuha na nila ng title. But we have Boston. Their clubs hungry for their first ever titles. Kina Boston, Indiana, naman ng Indiana pero alin na nagkakuan pang Indiana, tagilid sila sa New York, di ba? Even alin na Oklahoma, tagilid sila but laban lang. Even Minnesota and Denver, kana Minnesota lugay na gana mo magsus luoy ka na Minnesota sa panahon pang Kevin Garnett. Champion is Kevin Garnett with Boston. But paano ba na, it's so nice seeing Minnesota going these deep ones again, di ba? Marapag haven't seen that in the panahon pa na lang Kevin Garnett lagi, di ba na nga na sila kakadlukan, di ba? They now have Karl Anthony Towns and Ant-Man Anthony Edwards. So wala mani nakanindot sa NBA lagi. So who are you rooting for? Let me know. Do you bet, by the way? Grabe na kayo ng sports betting, by the way. And even in the casinos but even in non-casino setups, online setups na yung mga I'm not gonna say unsab sabi na yun and promote ko but still, do you bet on basketball? I mean, sometimes we bet against each other lang, friends sa una. But sa karon na yung mga bisig even way back mga early 2000s mga bookie pero karon legalized na yun na online. I don't know, even probably kids could bet money. That's bad about it. And there's so many content creators right now na basketball content, but also they're being hired by gambling companies to create those kind of content. Nakita ko so I don't know, nice ba yung tana, pero di man sa nindot yun ang sugal. Sometimes parang lang nako ang sugal could ruin the sports if ever mo, di mo gina mag-control tayo sa hain naman uban good na nagi players tingali na postayet sad di ka so manang ningon lang ba na sometimes hopefully di ma-doubt ang integrity sa games. Maybe ka nang dagko na kay mga NBA ma-protect mo na nila, pero I don't know kaning lower leagues baka nila rin sa doa if makuan pa maprotektahan ba na kanang YG Tikas, di ba? So hopefully kuan na ora na. I was just wondering pero of course it's all your choice. Kung sugal mo, of course inyo na malingaw man sa, di ba? Sometimes there are people who like to have skin in the game, di ba? Tanaw ko Boston, New York, waste my 2 hours of my life kita yun dayon, di ba? For what? For the thrill, for the awesomeness. Ay uban dili kinahanglan for the win. If let's say their favorite team wins, they also win some monetary rewards and di kinakalikayan. Diba? And thank you so much for watching, guys. We're actually on our way to Marco Polo Plaza Cebu. Pero sige, di rin lang ta mo end na lang ta dali kay na. I wanna thank you all for watching and let me know kung namigrahan pag-usapan o storyahan, di ba? Let me know your favorite topics na pwede na itong suryahan na sunod. Thank you so much. Bye.